One thing that I didn't do before was showing that we can also change attributes of objects, not only structures, tables, and variables. And the more and more SAP code is object-oriented, so this is also something that it's often needed. So let's see with an example. Let's start a transaction that has some objects, and switching to the debugger, um, and let's see a part of the code with objects. So here we have an object, and we can see here this is object of this class, and we can also open the class in SE24, and here the part that interests us is the attributes. We have several attributes. Some of them are also references to other objects, but we also have some, for example, integer value here, the window ID. So let's see how it shows in the debugger. We can see the internal attributes of the object by double clicking in the object, and then it switches to this tab. And then we can see here, we can see the technical type, which is also important because we know that if it is an object, uh, it's not changeable, but we could navigate into this sub-object, and then we can see the attributes of this sub-object. So I'm going to navigate back, and we can see that this is an attribute that could be changed, but by looking at this icon here, I can see that it's a static attribute, and those attributes are not changeable. But then below I have some changeable attributes. So it's instance attribute, and it's the window ID, and I could change it by using the pencil and putting a different number in this case, just like before in the other examples. So attributes in objects, it's almost like other variables. The only thing to know is that we need to navigate into the internal attributes of the object to be able to change them.